Welcome guys, welcome to my channel, which is the Kim vlog. So this is where I work on Saturdays. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. So you guys will be seeing videos of me, my kids, my mom, my brothers, friends and associates. For now, this is it. Love you guys. This is me at work on a Saturday. Got nothing much to do. Was saying about my property. Today I got company. So guys, normally I would be on property alone, as I said before. Today we have a bit of company because the vehicles having some mechanical problem. So they're here to fix them. And Saturday is normally me alone at my location though. This is my environment where I work only on Saturdays for now. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe. And I'm close by the sea and I'm close by the road, so yeah, that's my distraction. But at least I can see vehicle passing by, get the view of the sea. So this is it. Guys, a ship leaving the port in Port Antonio. What a view. And this is the Navy Island. It's a beautiful view, don't it? This ship docked last night and it's leaving already. This is Port Antonio, people. Port Antonio is very nice, very beautiful, don't it? We have juicy patties, we have a lot of stuff nearby. We have the gas station. See people, we have a lot of stuff here. There's a party going on right there, right now. This is crazy, right? Nice view though.